via North Trenton Road.
What
In a quarter mile, turn left onto West Dundee Road.
Yeah, Dundee Road, familiar.
Where's traffic on Dundee?
There's a lot of like construction going on there now.
30 days.
Is the shop still open or no?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We left at 4.
Oh no, I think I missed my turn.
You gotta go straight.
Turn left onto West Dundee Road.
No, I'll go straight.
Yeah, just go straight. You can go to like McHenry Road, whatever.
Yeah, I'll do that way.
Wood Avenue. Then turn left onto North Maple Avenue.
Oh, look at that.
You think it gets flooded?
You just moved this sign, look.
Thanks.
That's awesome, man. Yeah, maybe they just forgot to move this thing or something. That's weird. Holy cow.
That's funny.
Damn.
You're waiting, bro.
Look at this.
It's male or female?
It's female.
I don't think I caught him.
You did not?
JK, Roger.
Oh, come on. Yeah, remove that and then
This one.
that other one is gonna be a little more difficult, but
It's too difficult, bro.
see, a lot of wires here everywhere.
Right, nothing's too difficult, bro.
Yep. Look at how clean those valves are. I mean, that's pretty nice. Well, this can come off now. That's clean. How many miles this car has?
Like I think 100.
100,000. Here, have your light there. You might need more. Yeah. On tools, there you go. That should work. Here, grab the key. Take this key. Oh, look at that. They even left the parts here.
Oh.
Yeah, I tried that one, but it's like not working at all. Let me take that off. Yeah. Oh, hopefully it doesn't drop. I don't feel like going under the car. No. No. Guess what? Now we have to go under the car. And guess what? There's that
Plate,
and now we have to remove it. Oh man, you gotta be joking. Or maybe not. Hold on. Shoot. We don't have the magnet, right? Crap. Put them here. Just like that, side to side. Okay. Yeah, looks the same here.
comes with new hardware.
Yeah, it's good. Alright, just let's put it in, install it. Alright, let's see. Yeah, maybe you just leave those bolts on for now.
Okay.
There. What is that? I had that one. It's kind of weird. Great. This plug more. Or, because this one, I mean, it's just.
You ready to hang
I
stuff?
guess you can trim it. You have the side cutters.
What if you take that plug and just put it down there?
Yeah, maybe. Oh, you can't. Yeah, it's a bitch. Okay, let me get the screwdriver.
I have a little pocket one.
Yeah, let me get. Okay. The thing is that it's just the saying that you have to trim it because I don't think there's gonna be enough clearance between that or that. It might just get. Yeah, I guess we'll see now. Before I do that, you see this one didn't have any spacers, huh? No spacers.
¿Y si te pego?
Okay, Ricky, so basically grab the key,
Por favor, dame.
just turn the ignition on
Gracias.
without starting it.
No me puedes golpear. No, es que quiero a ver si te
Let me see. Just don't worry about the clamps now, it's fine. Let me get this in real quick. Jump inside, just turn the ignition on first. What happened? Something fell? That's fine. Go find it.
I think it was part of the key though.
You think? Oh, the mechanical key? Where did it fall? Hold on, let me try to move this seat.
It's actually holding now.
What's holding?
This it didn't hold before. So should I
Okay,
start?
try.